In this video, I'm going to show you how to request time off in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your dashboard. You want to go to the Home tab, top left, and then if you scroll down over here, you can see time off. So to request time off, you want to click on request time off over here, and it's going to basically load you into a page where you can go and request time off. So as you can see over here, you can select from to, so the dates when you want time off. So I'm just going to click on over here and do, for example, from July 1st to, and then we're going to do July 4th, okay? There we go. That's really all you have to do. And then you have to select the time off category. So here I'm just going to select, for example, sick leave, okay? Of course, up to you, whichever one you want to do, depending on your status. And then here you want to select the amount. So you could do, of course, the amount of days over here, and you'll be able to see the total of days over here. Of course, if I did, for example, like 0.3 over here, as you'd see, it would essentially kind of give a total of 2.3 days, okay? Now, whenever you've done this, you could also add a note if you want to. So you could type in, for example, please or whatever. And then from here, you can see all your kind of summary on the right, and you can just click on send request. And that's really all you have to do to request time off. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.